Now let us learn how to process the groove grinding. First, replace the thick polishing disc with a thin one. The polishing disc width is 8. Press 1 to input 8. Press Enter twice to confirm. Then set the grinding width. Measure the groove width. Input 9 here. Don't input too wide to avoid touching the working band. Next, adjust feed passes. Taking 1 mm finishing as example. Each feed is 0.02 mm, requiring 50 passes for 1 mm. Press 8 to input 50. Press Enter twice to confirm. Single pass count. Divide grinding width 10 by 2 with 8 is 1.25. Here change it to 2. Press 4 to input 2. Press Enter twice to confirm. Now start the polishing disc. Turn on motor. Switch to Y gear. Use hand wheel to move polishing disc to groove edge. Then use a gear to move into groove until visible sparks appear. Now reset all axis parameters. First, switch gear to neutral. Press X input 0. Press Enter twice to confirm. Press Y input 0. Press Enter twice to confirm. Press A input 0. Press Enter twice to confirm. Start point setup complete. From this origin, feed 0.02 mm each time for 50 passes, totaling 1 mm lift. Settings done. Now start up to observe the effect.